So in last tutorial, we saw how to create multi-threaded blocking server. In this tutorial, we see how to abuse that. So basically, we will break that. That was like seemingly looking good to us, but if if some developer or some nasty champ comes in and says, "Yo, I will just make 30,000 calls there," so we are going to create 30,000 threads that will need memory for sure. So we might run out of memory issues. So let's break it. So I will create a new Java file and let's say I will call it nasty jump attack, and let's say public static void main. So I have my multi-threaded blocking server running, so I could stop it for the time being. Let's create our nasty jump attack class. So say I'm suppose having some sockets. So I'm putting those sockets in the sockets array, socket array. Socket. So let's say 3000. Okay, and let's import it. So I would use Java streams for iterating. I would just use the old for loop. So int I equal to 0, I less than sockets dot length I plus plus. So let's create sockets, basically connections. So new socket. So socket have a constructor that accepts two parameters. One is host and other is port. So what should be our host? Localhost. And the port should be 8080 because we are learning our multi-threaded blocking server on port 8080. Okay, so here we could get two exceptions. One is interrupted exception and other is IO. So let's throw those. Sorry, yeah, unknown host exception. So could be the case that we are unable to find out this host, or another case could be that we are unable to communicate with this host even if it is available. Okay, so far so good. Let's run our multi-threaded blocking server. Now let's run nasty champ attack. I hope this should break with this many threads. Yep, it breaks. Let's see. See, it is like it has given out of memory error. So this is a takeaway. Like this one seems good, but could be easily broken down by any hacker or attacker. Okay, so let's do a bonus thing here. The code doesn't look much good. We are not like really using the code, and also if suppose I change the port here to say 8082, then if I have to rerun this nasty champ attack, I have to change the port again. So what I could do, I could pull out this to constant, factor extract to constant, and I would say port. So I will call it public, right? And I could extract out this as well. So refactor and extract constant. Let's call this host address. Okay, so now let's do one thing. Let's create a constants file. Say new constants. let's create it and pull out our constants there. I will change the access of this one to public, and let's import these here. No suggestions. Why? Let's save it and let me call it inline. We could later do the static import, right? Okay, so let's do it here. Good. Now we could do similar here as well. Let's copy it. Looks good. And let's do it in a single threaded blocking server as well. So now the good thing is, if I change the port here, it is reflected in all my files as the standard port that I am going to use. So our code is now more maintainable. So that's it. Thanks. If you want to see more such videos and get notified about more such videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks.